So guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra which I ordered recently from Samsung directly, as they were giving a nice combo offer with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let me just open it. So this is the kind of box they have sent. Let us just open it and see what's inside. So this, I think, will be the invoice. So this is the box of Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. This is the seal. So this is the manufacturing details. The price MRP 69,999 and it is manufactured in August 2024. So let us go ahead and open it. So okay, we get two more boxes inside. I think this is having the watch itself and this is the band. So let us have a look at the watch first. I guess it will open. Yeah, it is opening. So this is the watch itself. Very nice looking watch. These are the sensors and this is the button to remove the strap. Okay, what else do we have? Some documentation, I guess. Package contents. What else? Alright, we have the charging cable and the wireless charging pad. As you can see, there is no charger in the box. Now let us have a look at the strap. Alright, so this is the orange flap. So to attach these straps, you have to just align it here and press, so it locks. Similarly, the bottom strap, just align it and press, it locks. So this is how you attach it. Let us turn it on and see if it has got any juice left. I think this should be the power button. I think try with this one. Yeah, so now it has turned on. So guys, I will just set this watch up, pair it with my phone and show you the interface. So now to configure the watch, here I have my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let me just unlock it. So we need this Galaxy wearable app to configure it. So let us go ahead and configure the watch. I hope it detects the watch. Yeah, so it has detected the watch. Let us confirm at both the places. Now it is downloading some software to configure the watch. So now a few terms and conditions which need to be accepted. So this is my Google account. I need to connect it with the watch. Let me just enter the PIN. So this is the next screen. It is given an option to add a few apps on the device. Let us continue. There are a few more apps. We can have a look at them later on. Let us continue. Okay, so it wants to make an automatic watch backup. Let us continue. Okay, so quick action button we can configure later on. Okay, all right. Let us add the Airtel SIM. Let us configure LTE also in the watch. Alright, I guess the watch is configured for LTE. So the watch is finally set. So this was the initial setup. This is some tour, so we can probably skip it for the time being. Now the watch is set up. Let us come back. So this is the notification area. These tiles are available here, and this is to view the notifications, and swipe up to open the apps. So these are the apps currently available on the watch. As I explore the watch more, I will make another video of the same. Thanks for watching. See you soon.